In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your thoughts using Notion. We're going to set up a simple, reliable system built around clear categories and quick bulleted lists so you can capture anything on your mind and find it later without digging. Start by opening your browser and heading to notion.com. On the home page, click Login. When the sign-in options appear, choose the Google option. Then select your Google account to continue. After a moment, you'll land inside your Notion workspace, ready to create. Add a new page. This gives you a blank canvas where everything will live. Give your page a straightforward, memorable name. Something like Thoughts Organizer works well. A consistent name helps you return to the same spot every time you want to capture or review ideas. Now create your first category. We'll begin with Brain Dump. Type Brain Dump as a clear heading to mark this section. This is your mental inbox, the place where every stray thought, reminder, or half-formed idea can land. The goal is speed, not polish. Click into the Brain Dump area and type a / to open Notion's block menu. Search for Bulleted List and select it. This instantly gives you a lightweight list you can add to without friction. Start jotting things down as single, simple bullets, one thought per line. Don't organize yet, just offload what's in your head so it's captured and out of your working memory. Next, add another category called Ideas. This space is for anything you might want to explore or build on later, concepts, projects, or creative notions. Under the Ideas heading, add another bulleted list the same way, and start listing your ideas. Keeping them separate from Brain Dump means you can review creative material without the noise of everyday to-dos or random notes. From here, repeat the process. Think of the categories you naturally use and add them as headings, each with its own bulleted list. The key is to reflect how your mind groups information. For many people, sections like tasks, projects, reading, notes, or learnings are helpful. Keep names short and obvious so you can scan quickly. As you use this page, keep your entries concise and consistent. Short bullet points make scanning and refining easier, and separating capture, brain dump, from ideation, ideas, reduces mental clutter. Over time, you'll have a clean home for everything on your mind, all in one Notion page, ready to review and expand whenever you need.